This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It's June 26, 2018. This one here, I gotta go put gas inside a unit. I have to change, but I ain't got time right now because my truck's been in the shop for over 2 weeks. So she's got people moving in there, and I gotta go put gas in the system for now. You know, the people are gonna be there for a couple of weeks, and I just don't have time to replace the system right now. So I'm gonna go put some gas in it for her, get her up and running. Should get her by for a month or so, and then change the system. But that's what I'm gonna do here. I just don't have time to do it right now, and she needs the air conditioning, so sometimes things happen. Try to get you some shots when I get there. Alright guys, I got it on cooling, and we'll turn it down, and we'll put some Freon in it, just to get her by for a couple of weeks. I just don't have time to change it right now. She needs AC. It's a first company unit, so I want to make sure everything's connected. And should be able to put some Freon in it for now, just to get her by for a week or so, 2 weeks. Alright guys, I got my gauges hooked up here, and I'm gonna put some gas in it. I gotta kind of keep this thing in the shade. We'll plug it in and do our thing. Probably gonna be about 20 psi on the suction side. I'm gonna change this to 22. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but you guys see? I mean, the suction pressure is low. I'll give it a little bit. Well, we're putting liquid in from this container I had here. It's 22. When you're putting liquid in, you don't want to put too much in and slug the compressor. You're about 16, so we're going to probably go about maybe 20 or 30 or something like that. And get some liquid in there. You got to flash it as it goes in. You don't want to put too much in at one time. See, the superheat's way up there. Well, they say ain't got time to change the system right now, so we'll get some gas in it for her. With liquid, you can watch that valve right there, and you start putting too much, it'll start turning white. You don't want that. You don't want to flood the compressor. Put the liquid in here, and it flashes with the gas. See how it's starting to turn white a little bit? You want to cut it back a little bit. You want it to flash with the gas. You don't want to put liquid in there. Good work. put it on 75 for now. The AC will come on when it gets to be 75. People should be coming in here. Rental house here, looks like. Hey, look who it is. It's the baby dog, man. Yeah, hello. Hello. What's my friend doing, huh? You got sleepies there. Yeah, you've been sleeping for too long.